join together, grounding ourselves in this moment of shared mourning and hope. Inhale deeply, feeling the weight of a world in pain. Deepen that breath a little more, and exhale, releasing a fragment of the burden, if only for a breath. Hold. We are bound by the great force of our shared humanity and compassion. Now inhale, drawing strength from countless heartbeats resonating with yours. Hold. And now exhale, channeling that strength into a beacon of hope for all. Hold. In this depth of pain, our united heartbeats find strength. Now deeply inhale through the nose, absorbing the silent cries and whispered prayers. Hold. Now exhale, sending out your own beacon of love and hope amidst the storm. Hold. Our collective spirit feels this pain, yet in unity we rise resilient. Inhale, embracing the courage of a world that refuses to be silenced. Hold. Now exhale, grounding yourself in the belief that love, though tested, endures. Hold. In the shadow of horror, silent acts of compassion shine brightly. Inhale, taking in the essence of undying hope. Hold. Exhale, finding solace in the shared determination of many. Carry this moment of unity, knowing that in our collective heart, hope remains the eternal flame. Until we seek solace together again, remember, you are seen and you are loved.